So I'm Ant Moss. I'm a futurist and an innovation expert working in the corporate industry for over 30 years, helping businesses transform and evolve their organizations. I think the big topic at the moment is the amount of new technologies which are landing. There's just too many things coming down the line, whether it's AI, spatial computing, or progressions in IoT. Actually understanding what we should be focusing on, what we can ignore, and what we need to just maybe observe for the future is a critical thing at the moment. I think there's a fantastic opportunity at the moment to help organizations transform. Again, to that point, the massive technology which are coming down the line, there isn't an immediate, obvious answer to all those things. So I think working with Active and working with Adventa, we bring a great combination of independence that allows us to look at what those solutions might be, what the technologies are, where the opportunities might be, but also the risks and the threats as well, and then bringing kind of independent advice. That's going to be more important than anything else moving forward. So we're looking at innovation workshops, and this is a fantastic opportunity to allow customers to look at the new technologies which are coming. So as a futurist, I'll share what I think the next wave of technology is going to do for us at technology level, but also at a societal and economic level. And then it gives us a chance to ideate for that specific opportunity and organization. So how might these technologies change and transform both the organization, the industry, but most importantly, their customers? So we can ideate, we can find out the ideas, but then stand back, put this all together in an innovation laydown and work out where we should be focusing today for those enhancements and improvements, the marginal gains, what evolution looks like, what are the solutions and opportunities that are going to really transform the business, and where are those probably more sci-fi focused opportunities that we might just want to watch. Technology is moving at a pretty rapid pace, so we can't ignore them, but so we can't do everything either. But I think the first thing is just to learn more about it. Just make sure this is the right thing for their organization. We think it's a great idea and it's bringing lots of value, but what we propose is just to jump on a quick call, maybe 20 minutes, just to tell you a little bit more about it, share some of the insight, just to get a feel for what we're going to be passing on, the trends, the technologies, and then just to work out whether it's right, who we need in the room, and we can kind of plan it. We aim to run these over a half-day session, usually very interactive. So that 20-minute call just allows us to tell you more, work out if it's right for you, and then plan for who we want in the room and some of the exercises that we'll carry out. The aim of the workshop really is to be short and efficient. And this is not a whole day exercise. We usually run it over about 2.5 to 3 hours at the most. It's made up of a few different sections. So first of all, as a futurist, I'll share what these key trends are. What are the things that I'm seeing from my research and insight, and what I'm seeing from wider industry and other customers. So we'll spend about an hour to 40 minutes working through that and then having a discussion. Second part of the workshop is we want to hear from you. We want to hear what are the key challenges that are in your industry and your organization. What are the problem statements? What are the things we're looking to fix or to better understand? Then we'll use around about 30-40 minutes to get to our feet and to start ideating. What's the what ifs, the whys, should we, how can we evolve? How might those technologies which I'll share actually impact your organization, be it an opportunity and a threat or a risk as well? And then we'll stand back from it and we'll take a vote. We can't do everything. There's no limitless pots of money and time to do everything, but we'll stand back from our ideas and we'll prioritize and we'll take a vote. I'll then take that information away and I'll present it back to you a couple of days later in what we call an innovation laydown. And this will really focus in the things to do today, the things that will evolve the organization, and the things that will enhance it into the future as well.
Hi, my name is Jo Wimble-Groves and I am the co-owner of Active Digital. We're a communications partner. We started out almost 30 years ago and our sole aim is to transform connectivity and communication for our customers. There's been so much change over the last 30 years and what we're seeing at the moment is people aren't just buying technology, they're buying business outcomes. And our job is to be agile and leverage our strength as an independent organisation to give customers the technology that they really need.
Well, the innovation workshops are fantastic at building that kind of initial plan, that kind of 1,000-feet view. What do we need to do today? What do we need to do tomorrow? And what's on the horizon? But it's also really important that we build a community, that we stay in touch. So we do this across a number of different ways. First of all, we send you a quarterly report. There's just so much news, headlines all the time of new innovations, new technologies, and transformations in industry. We take that as our day job. So we filter out the noise, we separate the bits we should be focused on, and we filter out the distractions. What we also do then is we bring you together as a community. The problems you're experiencing, every other organisation is experiencing. As Ken Blanchard said, none of us is as smart as all of us. And it's important that we come together at events throughout the year, and we'll invite you to the event, so you decide whether it's a topic of interest and you want to come, or whether it's one you'll miss. But when we get together, we'll hear from other organisations, other industries, other sectors on what's challenges and issues they're facing, and also the successes they're having as well. And that shared learning is critical as we all navigate the future.